Arkansas Governor Asa Hutchinson was at the White House today for a meeting with the president about the country's COVID-19 response. The president and vice president hosted the National Governors Association today. Hutchinson, who is the chair of this bipartisan group, says the governor has asked the White House for help in creating guidance on how to move toward a, quote, more normal life as the nation learns to live with the coronavirus. Now, today's meeting between the president and the Governors Association comes as case counts drop nationwide, but deaths are still rising. Tanya Backus has more from today's bipartisan meeting at the White House.
Your voice has been important.
Governors from more than half the states in the country met with President Biden at the White House Monday. Chair of the National Governors Association, Asa Hutchinson, said state leaders want to move away from the pandemic.
We asked the president to help give us clear guidelines on how we can return to a greater state of normality.
A lot of good discussion about what does the road from pandemic to endemic look like and how do we keep score.
Nationwide, the number of daily COVID cases is on the decline, down by more than half since the peak of the Omicron surge. But some states are still seeing increases.
Right now, we still need to keep our heads down and stay at it to fight what is still, surging in parts of the country. But we do have the tools to get to a point where it does not disrupt our daily lives.
Health experts say the country should be in a much better place come spring.
I think toward the end of February and March, we'll have significantly lower numbers of cases in this country. And then hopefully in March, we could start to vaccinate the under 5 and our shoulders come down.
Novavax has applied for emergency use authorization of its COVID-19 vaccine in the U.S. And Moderna announced Monday that federal health regulators gave full approval to its 2-dose shot. Tanya Backus, CBS News, Los Angeles.
Johnson & Johnson, whose vaccine was the third to receive emergency use authorization in the United States, has not yet applied for full approval.